Hi, welcome to another episode of MS7 where we talk about health, fitness, and lifestyle choices. If you have ever experienced those pesky tingling sensations, shooting pains, or even numbness in your hands or feet, you're not alone. It's called nerve damage, and it can really throw a wrench in your daily life. Our nerves, these intricate highways of the body, send signals from our brain to our fingertips and toes, but when they are damaged, it's like a roadblock for communication. Today, we are diving into a unique blend of science and practical tips to help you pave the way to pain free living. Disclaimer: this content is for educational purposes only and not a substitute for medical advice, so consult a healthcare professional for personalized guidance. Number 1, alpha lipoic acid ALA. ALA is a potent antioxidant that aids nerve repair by neutralizing oxidative stress and promoting nerve function. Sources are spinach, broccoli, organ meat. Nerve health benefits. Number 1, powerful antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals and supports nerve cell health. Number 2, aids in nerve repair by combating oxidative stress and promoting nerve function and overall nervous system well-being. Number 2, omega 3 fatty acids. Omega 3s are anti-inflammatory and essential for nerve cell function, structure, and repair. Sources are fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, flax seeds, walnuts. Nerve health benefits. Number 1, essential for nerve cell structure and function. Number 2, reduces inflammation in the nervous system, potentially aiding nerve repair. Number 3, supports myelin in maintenance for effective nerve signal transmission and supports healthy nerve transmission and repair. Number 3, magnesium sulfate. Magnesium is essential to nerve function, muscle relaxation, and nerve repair processes. Sources: leafy greens, nuts, seeds, whole grains. Nerve health impacts: regulate calcium and potassium ions, crucial for nerve signaling. Muscle relaxation properties indirectly benefit nerves by reducing tension. Magnesium supports nerve signaling, relaxation, and repair mechanism. Number 4, curcumin. Curcumin, a compound in turmeric, exhibits anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Sources: turmeric, curcumin supplements are also available. Nerve health benefits. Number 1, exhibits anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, potentially reducing nerve damage. Number 2, aids in protecting nerve cells from oxidative stress. Number 5, vitamin B1 thiamine. Thiamine supports energy production and nerve function, aiding in nerve cell maintenance. Sources: whole grains, nuts, seeds, legumes. Nerve health benefits. Essential for nerve cell energy production and proper transmission of nerve signals. Number 2, aids in maintaining healthy nerve function and repair. Number 6, vitamin B6 pyridoxine. Vitamin B6 is vital for neurotransmitter production and myelin formation, which protects nerves. Sources: poultry, fish, whole grains, nuts, bananas. Nerve health benefits of vitamin B6. It supports neurotransmitter production and myelin formation, important for maintaining healthy nerve conduction and repair. Number 7, vitamin B12 cobalamin. Vitamin B12 supports nerve cell health and myelin maintenance, crucial for effective nerve signaling. Sources: meat, fish, egg, dairy, fortified foods or supplements for vegans. Nerve health benefits. It supports neurotransmitter production and myelin formation, important for maintaining healthy nerve conduction and repair. Number 8, vitamin E. Vitamin E's antioxidant properties protect nerves from oxidative stress and improve circulation. Sources: nuts, seeds, vegetable oils, leafy greens. Nerve health benefits. Antioxidant properties protect nerve cells from oxidative stress and damage, supports nerve repair by improving blood flow and reducing cellular damage. Number 9, vitamin D. Vitamin D supports neurotransmitter function and maintains nerve cell structure. Sources: sun exposure, fatty fish, fortified dairy supplements. Nerve health benefits of vitamin D. It influences neurotransmitter function and supports nerve cell structure. It supports proper nerve signaling and nerve cell maintenance. Number 10, vitamin C. Vitamin C is an important antioxidant that protects nerves from oxidative damage and aids the tissue health. Sources: citrus fruits, strawberries, bell peppers, broccoli. Nerve health benefits of vitamin C. Antioxidant properties shield nerve cells from oxidative damage and supports tissue health. Aids in nerve repair by reducing oxidative stress and promoting nerve cell survival. Remember, healing takes time, but with these nutrients as your allies, you are on the right path. So there you have it. If you find this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and wellness insights. Until next time, take care of those nerves and stay healthy.